Clear the inside first perm. Watch the floor, it's rotted through.
Bag every bit of this mold, don't breathe it in.
Clear the rust stains near the cabin.
Careful near the window frame.
Thunder's getting closer.
Watch the sparks, man.
Almost got this section clear. Need more cable over here.
Roof's coming off in section staying. Keep it controlled.
Watch below, rust coming down.
All right, keep it steady.
We're clear on this side.
More rods over here.
Watch the sparks.
We're clear on the next wall.
Line it flush, Erkli. Every panel matters here.
Okay, lift it gently. Watch the rust on the bottom.
It's in. Start the seal.
Looks good, but this rubber needs to be tighter here.
Heads up, coming your way.
Got it. Need the torque wrench next. Almost tight here.
Seal it tight up on it. First rain tests everything.
Make sure the edges are clean.
Yes, almost done with the tape.
We need more paint over here.
Tension's locked tight.
She'll hold 100 years. Okay, bring it down slow. Watch the adhesive.
Got it, looks good.
Pass me the impact driver. Let's get these trims secured.
Mounts are secure on this side.
Okay, running the conduit now.
Lights are ready for wiring over here.
Watch the arc, move it faster.
Almost done on this side. Keep grinding.
Hang it true hout. A door tells the whole story.
Easy on the left. Keep it steady.
All right, she's almost in place.
Send down the wrenches. We're ready for the pipes. Does this piece go here?
Yeah, flip it around.
Got the cabinets ready for placement.
Careful with the glass.
That teak deck is perfect. And the view from here, wow.
Polish it warm, not blinding. Let the jungle keep its mood.
The green throws look excellent against the white sheets.
They really do. Are the curtains straight over there?
Just about finished here.
Final polish now.
Looks clear underneath.
Watch the edges.
Last touches to leave. Make it feel lived in, not staged.
Are the towels arranged? Yes, everything is ready now.
Check the conduit alignment on the far side.
Looks good from here. Secure the next segment.
Powering up the circuit now, stand clear.
Every bolt checked evenly. She's ready to live again.
Wow, that looks really good. Yeah, I'm happy with how the glass fits.
All done. Looks good.
We did it. It looks absolutely stunning up there.
As the light fades, the structure sways gently.
She's home now, Clef. Let the jungle keep her.
Experience the height of luxury, suspended between earth and sky.
From rust to rainforest, restored and never forgotten.